Hello students, today we will study English language of class 7th, chapter number 7, Case of Nouns. Now, what is case of nouns? Case is that form of noun or pronoun which shows its relation to other words in sentence. It means that it is a form of noun or a pronoun which shows relation, you can say, or link with other words in sentence. Okay, it shows link or relation with to the other words in the sentence, or shows the relationship to the other words in the sentence. There are three kinds of cases of noun. First, nominative case. Second, objective case. Third, possessive case. Now let's start with the first one. Nominative case. A noun or a pronoun that is the subject of a verb or sentence is said to be in a nominative case. It is also called as a subjective case. Now, a noun or pronoun that is a subject of verb in the sentence, it is subject of verb or of the sentence, is said to be nominative case. Like for example, you can say see like here in above sentence, the library is full of books. Now here, noun is the library. So noun is the library and is the subject. They are also the subject of the verb. Verb is here. The library is full of books. So it is saying, now it must be clear, noun or pronoun is the subject. So noun or pronoun, the library is the subject of the verb or the sentence. Okay, like that way, Meera is an honest girl. The mason builds the wall. Now here, this sentence, in this sentence you can say it is written in the above sentence, the library, Meera, the mansion are subjects. They are what? They are the subjects of verb. Verb is what? In the first sentence it is. In a second sentence again it is, and in the third sentence built is a verb. So they are called as a nominative case. Understood? Now, second, objective case. A noun or a pronoun that is object of verb. Object of verb, you can say, preposition or indirect object, is said to be objective case. Now, to understand nicely, see here the example. It is saying here the noun or pronoun in above, it was said as a subject. Here the noun pronoun will be acting as an object. Now see in the example. In the first sentence, the maid cooked the food. So here the food is object and cooked is verb. The same. I saw a zebra. Zebra is object and saw is verb. Same here, it is also written. In first and second sentence, food and zebra are the object of the verbs and are therefore in objective case. That's why they are called as the objective case. Okay, they are the object. Noun pronoun is the object of verb. They are the object of verb. That's why it is called as a objective case. Now in third sentence, little different it is. The book is on the shelf. Now in the definition we have seen, it is said that noun or pronoun is object of verb, preposition or indirect object. So here the shelf is object of preposition on. Therefore it is called as the objective case. So here it is not a verb, here it is preposition. Okay students, now next, Third is possessive case. Now, a noun or pronoun which denotes the ownership. Denotes the ownership or possession, means you are the owner, you are possessing something or any object, is said to be possessive case. You are the owner. For example, I am the owner of this book. Yeah, I possess this book. It is my book. Now, here example you can see. Rohit's bike is one of the best bikes in India. The stone in the stone injured the rabbit's leg. Do you know which is the best children's series? Now, the Rohit's bike, rabbit's leg children's series denotes the possession. Possession means Rohit is the owner of the bike, or he possessed the bike. Here, second is rabbit's leg, means the rabbit's leg means the rabbit is the owner of its leg, right? So, and last one is children's series. It means that series belongs to children, no one else. It's only for the children. Okay, that is called as a possessive case. Now, rules for forming the possessive case. Now, there are certain rules you can see. First one, the possessive case of noun is formed by adding apostrophe to the singular. Now, for example, you can see the boy's hat was broken. Now, the possessive noun can be formed by putting apostrophe to the singular word. Okay, like the boy's hats. Okay, so it shows that it is the boy's hat. It shows the boy's hat, you can say, or bat, you can say. It's perfectly okay. So means the boy is the owner of that bat, or you can say hat. Okay, means he is the owner, no one else is the owner of that. Now, second, if the plural ends in s, the apostrophe only is added. Now, the word ends in plural, like frogs. Okay, frogs you can say, or you can say, books. So the word is ending in s. So now what you will do in this? In this only you will add apostrophe outside the s, as you can see here, outside the s or after the s. Outside you can say, or after the s. Okay, if there is the plural word like frogs, books, so apostrophe will be after the s. Now, third one, if the plural does not end in s, then the apostrophe must be, then the apostrophe means the apostrophe will be inside, before, you can say before s. Like the children's toy, children itself is the plural word, so you cannot add s and then after put apostrophe, wrong, it will be wrong. So children, the word is itself plural, so how you will write the children, the word children, then put apostrophe and then s. It means the apostrophe will be before s, not after. Okay, please note the apostrophe will be before s if the word is plural. Now, with abstract noun ending in ss or ce, the apostrophe, only apostrophe will be added. Okay, now see here in the example. One should speak the truth for goodness sake. Now here the word is ending in ss. So where you will put apostrophe? After s. Okay, now second, we must help each other for conscience sake. Now the word is ending in ce, then where you will put apostrophe? After e. Okay, please note, in abstract noun ending in ss or es, only apostrophe will be added. Here you can see only apostrophe means after that word, after ss and after s and after e. Okay, now the apostrophe is put on the last word of compound nouns and nouns followed by qualifying phrase. Now, it means in the compound noun, at the end, last word, at the end of that word, we will put apostrophe. Okay? Or if there is a noun phrase or the noun which is qualifying phrase, in that, see what how we will put. Now, first one we can see, he lives at father-in-law's house, not father's-in-law house. He lives in father-in-law's house. It means it is a compound word. So at the last word, it means in the law we will put apostrophe. Okay, not here. In the word here, this last word, in a law we will put apostrophe. Now the second example is the winner of race prize. Now, the noun followed by qualifying phrase. Here, it is a phrase. This word is phrase. So, in this phrase, in the noun, we will put apostrophe. The winner of race prize. It means in the race, we will put apostrophe. Okay? Did you understand? So in the noun phrase, or in the phrase noun phrase sentence, in the noun we will put apostrophe, like race prize. In a race we will put apostrophe. Okay, now sixth one, when two nouns are closely connected, the apostrophe is put to the latter, means last. Or in other words, we can say that when something belongs to more than one person, when any object is belonging to more than one person, or we can say, if we want to show the joint ownership, that one subject or one thing is the owner of two-person. They are the two-person are owner of one thing. Okay, two person are owner of one thing, or something belongs to more than one person, like here Madhu and Mohan's shop. In this we will put we'll put the apostrophe at the last word. Why we'll put the last word? As I told you, this shows the joint ownership, means one thing, means the two people are owner of one thing. Okay, means the shop, they both are owner of one shop. Okay, Madhu and Mohan's shop means joint ownership. They both are owning one thing. Okay, now last sentence. Each of two or more connected noun implying separate possession have separate apostrophe. Now, this sentence I'll explain you. It means that to show the separate ownership. Here I was telling you in sixth sentence to joint ownership. Here I will tell, it is telling to show the separate ownership. To show the separate ownership, we use the apostrophe with S after each of the names, and use the plural form of the thing owned by the person. Okay, now for example, you can see here Army Levy's and Andrew Lang's novels are very famous. It is showing it is showing the separate ownership. Okay, separate ownership. So that's why we are putting after Levy's and after Lang's. Okay, and we can see, and the word we can say, and the name is used in a plural form. Okay, we are showing a different we are showing separate ownership, and the word and the thing which they are owning will be in the plural form. Okay, the thing which they are owning will be in a plural form. Understood, student? Now here the chapter ends. Now, students, try to solve the exercise of this chapter. Thank you, students.